My channel. Today's video is this, which is inspired by Holly Boon and Mmmitchell on Instagram. I'll link everything below. They are amazing and I thought I'd give it a go. So if you want to see how I did this, then please keep watching. Okay, so first of all, I'm going in with concealer under the eyes. I do this every single time I start out my makeup. I go in with this concealer. It's the Collection 2000 in the colour 01 Fair. So I think it's the lightest one they do. I'm using the applicator and going under my brow and over and then smearing it out with a flat brush. So like I say, this look is inspired by Holly Boon, but also Mmmitchell on Instagram. I will leave his link below. I'm obsessed with his stuff. I literally watch his Instagram like a daily newspaper. I am obsessed with it, and so I thought I would give this a go. This is a kind of dodgy version of his, but I wanted to give it a go, and I thought I'd do a tutorial if you're thinking about trying something that's really like artsy and fun. So I've gone in with that concealer and then set it with some light eyeshadow. I'm then going in with the Juvia, I think that's how you say it, Juvia's palette, and it's the Magic palette. And I'm using this, which is a really kind of bright pinky, almost orangey neon shade. I find it's in the middle and it's called Kogi. I hope I'm saying that right. And I'm using this. I'm also lifting up my brows. I've learned so many tips from this Mitchell and I'm obsessed. I really recommend going watch his stuff. He does like lessons, which is amazing, but also he does Insta stories, like step by step of people doing the looks. So I find that that's really helpful. I'm then going in and transitioning this, kind of blending it out with the colour Nana. I can't even see. I've got a mark on the palette. And so anyway, I've used that as the transition shade, and then I'm going in with a dark blue, and I'm using the same brush, and this is the colour Yemoja. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing these wrong or I'm offending anyone. I'm really bad at pronouncing things, so I'm going in with the colour Yemoja. I really hope I'm saying that right. Just using this little creasy brush, blending that out and building up the darker shade, and then just keep on blending it back. I'm then going in with that transition shade again to blend it out again. Don't be afraid to keep going back and forth. Honestly, all about blending and learning is constantly learning what's best and what works for you and everything. So I'm going back in with that concealer, which is the Collection 2000, and I'm literally just pulling it down in the middle of my lid, making sure it's just above my crease so you can see it for when I have my eye open. So I'm kind of doing a little sort of round shape and making sure till it's all kind of set. And then I'm going to go in with this colour, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. It's like a mermaidy kind of, yeah, so it's like this beautiful mermaidy colour, really kind of shimmery, and it's called Faso. I think I'm saying that right, I hope so. And then I'm going back in with that blue, dark blue, and kind of fading out the edges. So this next part I'm not good at. This is the first time I've tried it. I haven't got a stable hand, so it is a little bit dodgy, but I'm going in with the NYX liquid. It's called something, I can't remember. I'll link it in the description, and it is white, and I'm doing a little white line. I've seen people do this so many times, and I thought I'd give it a go. This was literally my first go, so I thought, why not just do it along with you and show you how I'm doing, how I found it. I honestly found that bit quite difficult to get it in the right line. As you can see when I'm moving my eye, I do change it slightly later on. But yeah, I found that was quite difficult. So then I'm going in with NYX Epic Liner, and I'm just going along my lash line, and then I'm going to go into a wing. Honestly, I love this makeup look. I really do. However, that white line I found so difficult, and I really did need some tips. So if you've got any tips, then please let me know in the comments, because I would really appreciate anything that can make that better, because I'm not great at freehand on that at the moment. But I thought, why not just be honest and post this and just kind of be genuine, and that I am struggling to do that. So then I'm doing that, and then I'm going in with some highlight on the brow and the inner corner. Also, I love doing this, that I've noticed that Mitchell from Instagram, he does this and he'll do the brows last, and I think it's a really good idea, because you can literally blend right up to the brow and then you make it really neat afterwards. So I'm going in with that orange transition. This is the colour Gingerly from my website. And then I'm going in with that Kogi colour. I think, was it called Kogi? yes, Kogi, and on a small Morph blending brush. And I love doing the under eye with this red colour. I think it looked absolutely amazing. And then I'm just going to go in and do my brows. If you want to see a full tutorial on that, then I will link it below. And yeah, so I'm just using a brow palette from my website to do that, and then we can move on to lashes. As you saw, did I show that? I think I showed it. I put mascara on, which I always do before I apply my lashes now, and I find it really helps to apply them lashes but also keep them in place. And I'm using the Primer Lash Black Wispies. I will link them below. I think I just got them from eBay because I find them, there's a lot of them on eBay. So I'm just applying the mascara like I say, and then I'm applying the lashes, and I'm going in with a dark black eyeshadow. This is actually from my website because I find it very pigmented, but you could use any black eyeshadow, and I find it really helps to just make that liquid eyeliner look so much better. If you're not mega neat on liquid eyeliner, I really suggest trying powder as well. So once I've done my lashes, I'm then going over with liquid eyeliner onto that lash to kind of like make it fix in. And yeah, this is the finished look. So let me know what you thought about this. Obviously I was practicing, but I've practiced along with you. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new.